Hey, I'm Bruce. We're gonna make this simple, quick, and undeniably delicious stewed chicken wings. Take a bell pepper with your preferred color. Remove the seeds and cut into any shape you like. Slice 5 or 6 mushrooms. I didn't have shiitake mushrooms in my fridge at this time, but they're normally my top choice. A lot of ginger, about 10 slices. For the sauce, we need half cup of chicken stock, half cup of mirin. Mirin is a sweet Japanese rice wine, but it also has a subtle tang and richness. Half cup of light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for its color. Then about 3 tablespoons of honey. Put 12 pieces of chicken wings into a pot of cold water. Turn the stove to high heat and wait until the water starts to boil. Dry them up with paper towel. I'm only using the second section of chicken wings here. The base sections are more lean and firm, so by the time they're fully cooked, the second sections are gonna dry up, shrink, and lose all the fantastic tenderness. Heat up the stone pot or cast iron pot and add a generous amount of olive oil. The pot doesn't need to be too big. 3 to 4 quarts will be enough. Carefully place the chicken wings into the pot, cook each side for about 1 to 2 minutes, until the skin turns golden. We're gonna take them out for now. Turn to medium heat and put in 7 cloves garlic and all 10 slices of ginger into the pot. Cook for 3 minutes or until the garlic is turning brown, ginger slices drying up. Put the wings back to the pot and pour the sauce we made before onto the chicken. When the sauce starts to boil, add the mushrooms. Some optional chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. The acidity makes subtle transition to the stool, brings balance, and brightens up the flavor. Let everything simmer for about 5 minutes, and it's time to add the bell pepper. Cook for another 3 minutes. After we turn off the stove, add a handful of fresh basil leaves. Close the lid and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Stone and cast iron pots are really good at preserving heat, so they'll allow the basil leaves to slowly release their magic without overcooking the chicken wings. Double check to make sure that there's no pink inside of the meat, and it's good to enjoy your dinner.